Hey, I'm Lisa Canning from Lisa Canning Interiors, and I am in Jennifer Pike's laundry room in Keswick, Ontario. I love designing laundry rooms. I think they can be fun, they can express a lot of personality, so I wanted this to be colorful, vibrant, really functional, but really have a lot of personality. The first thing I did to make this laundry room really special was to wrap the cabinets in color. I went with this really saturated bright blue and painted the cabinets out in it. And I just think it's such a beautiful dynamic pop against the whites and more neutral elements. And then of course I added pops of orange, pops of yellow in a patterned rug, patterned towels to really make sure this space had a lot of personality. A really important element in a laundry room is to ensure it's organized. So I used lots of really fun elements from Neat Freak to make sure that this busy family can have all of their things really accessible. We went with really deep cabinets. So in the cabinets, I made sure that there were smaller baskets to just keep things really accessible and not falling to the back and getting lost. A really fun trick I use a lot in my interior design work is to take even the most basic of cabinetry, but put a really special pull on it. And so we went with this beautiful, beautiful set by Shane Fox Hardware, all handmade, local artisan in Toronto. And just that pop of bling in this space and handmade quality, they're gonna patina over time with the natural oils from this family's hands. I just think they're really exceptional. And I love how they match the Delta Cassidy faucet that we used in the champagne bronze. Making a space feel more custom is really easy to achieve with applied interior moldings. So I wrapped this space in tongue and groove paneling, and even though it's a small space, it makes it feel just so cozy, really intimate. That added detail really makes the space feel customized and personalized. And then of course I did the same thing on the door. I used this beautiful Matri door with patterned glass that just allows the natural light to come in and out into the house as well as in the laundry room, and again just gives that really special touch to what otherwise could just be a very boring utilitarian room. This particular design project had lots of special challenges. There is no garage in this house. There is very limited outdoor storage. And so this room really serves as laundry, sports equipment storage, household, odds and ends storage. So we really had to pack a lot in. So I made sure to include a little station that helps prepare the kids before they're going out to the pool, helps keep yoga mats, sports equipment really organized so that again, it's a grab and go kind of thing. When you are a busy family on the go, we want to make sure that things are as easy and as streamlined as possible. So having really good organizational hacks, especially at points of entry and exit, are really important. Space was very much at a premium in this tiny little laundry room, so it was really important to use a stackable washer and dryer. I went with this set by Whirlpool because it also allows a lot of customizability, from washing dance clothes to hockey equipment to towels to just plain old clothing. The family can really customize their washing needs and the care for their family with this washer dryer set. I really feel strongly that you can make even the most utilitarian or maybe in your head boring types of spaces not boring by incorporating lots of customizability through color, through applied molding, through really special details and accessories. A space can really reflect the true character and personality of a family.